Today, you will learn how to rotate a picture in Word document, from simple mouse dragging to exact angle rotation, flipping, and even cool 3D rotation effects. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, insert your image by going to Insert tab and click Pictures. Choose your desired image and click Insert. Click on the picture to select it. Look at the top of the image. You'll see a circular rotation handle. Click and hold that handle. Drag your mouse left or right to rotate the image freely. Release when you like the angle. Hold the Shift key while dragging to rotate in 15-degree steps for better control. This method works on Windows, Mac, and even Word on the web. If you want a clean 90-degree turn, select the image. Go to Picture Format tab at the top. Click Rotate in the Arrange group. Choose Rotate Right 90 degrees, Rotate Left 90 degrees, Flip Horizontal, Flip Vertical. This is perfect when your image is upside down or sideways. If you want to rotate to 37 degrees or 122 degrees exactly, select the picture. Go to Picture Format, Rotate, More Rotation Options. In the Layout box, enter the exact degree in the Rotation field. Click OK. Perfect for precise document designs. Word also allows 3D rotation presets. Right-click the image, Format Picture. Open 3D Rotation. Choose a preset from Parallel, Perspective, Oblique. You can also manually adjust X, Y, Z axes to tilt and twist the image in 3D space. When you rotate or move images, text jumps around. Fix this with Wrap Text. Select the image. Go to Picture Format, Wrap Text. Choose In Front of Text. This keeps your layout clean while rotating images. Now you know all the ways to rotate, flip, and position pictures perfectly in Microsoft Word without disturbing your document. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the playlist for more super simple Word tutorials made just for beginners.